Jesus Christ. He's got him. He's got him. Wow. We have a few crabs. So that's a female. You can tell by the colour. Oh, I am wrong. That's a nice flatty. Beautiful. Excellent. Feels pretty good. Oh, bro. Yes. Fuck yeah. The amount of times I've been out here, caught absolutely nothing. Snapper. Get away. What, are you going to try and eat this? You reckon you can eat that? Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Sorry about that, mate. I did not intend on feeding you to the bird. Let him go. He's got him. He's got him. A whole snapper. Jesus. Yeah, can you breathe now?